What's up, Internet? Okay, I've been absolutely obsessed with crypto mining content scattered across the Internet recently, and over these last couple weeks, I've probably absorbed like 150 pieces of content. YouTube breakdowns, Instagram posts, Reddit discussions, Telegram groups, everything from absolute newcomer tutorials to advanced professional secrets about crypto mining without hardware. And I'm noticing roughly 91% of this content is actively pushing obvious fake sites, fake profit proofs, fake testimonials, and zero blockchain proof. I honestly became really skeptical about whether trustworthy cloud mining even exists, because everywhere I look seems completely overrun with scams. But I stumbled onto ArcMine around 20 weeks back, and honestly, it's still the only platform I genuinely vouch for. So now I'm gonna walk through this live, you observe everything. Okay, here I'm clicking Start Mining and choosing BTC here, though the platform actually processes mining for essentially all major cryptocurrencies available. Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Tron, all the top players. But I'm sticking with Bitcoin for this video, clicking Continue now. So at this stage, I need to provide my wallet address. So opening my wallet application, grabbing that address, switching back and dropping it into this box. Now I'm adjusting hash rate power and mining speed. In plain language, these controls determine how much computational power gets assigned to your mining and the processing speed. But catch this, it directly affects what you'll pay. So cranking these higher means I'll accumulate cryptocurrency quicker, but service charges climb proportionally. Cool. Next, I'm specifying my target amount. This displays how much crypto I'm targeting, its dollar equivalent, and the projected completion time. Right, so now I'm firing up the mining session, and perfect, it's active. All the statistics are right here, remaining time, power being utilized, efficiency percentages. So now let's let this run for a few minutes. And good, I've successfully mined tokens, so now I can withdraw it to my wallet. But important detail, the platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawal. Everything's broken down here, so here's the energy used, here are the server clusters that handled it, plus network transaction costs, so factor that in. Okay, I'm copying this address. Back to app, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. All right, so while this process is, and I'm waiting for the tokens to hit my wallet, here's the most valuable advice I can share from expensive, painful lessons. Completely ignore any mining platform promoted through influencer sponsorships or paid social media campaigns, because legitimate, profitable operations don't need aggressive marketing. Scams require constant new victim inflow. Start with bare minimum deposit, immediately attempt withdrawing even just $12 to $18 to test whether the process actually functions.
Also, be extremely suspicious of platforms that process one or two small early withdrawals perfectly, then create complications with larger amounts, because that's deliberate psychological manipulation building false trust. Meticulously document everything with screenshots of fee structures, support conversations, transaction IDs, policy pages. Watch for these specific warning patterns. Constant skepticism combined with strategic diversification ultimately protects your capital in this ecosystem saturated with sophisticated organized fraud targeting uninformed newcomers. So yeah, links available in the pinned comment and description. Start minimal, test withdrawals first thing, stay skeptical always, and definitely share your honest experience in the comments after testing it yourself. Peace.